Welcome to the channel where we explore the future of renewable energy. Today we will discover how PV plus BESS projects are transforming the energy market in Spain and Portugal. Hybridization of PV plants with storage is one of the most effective strategies to maximize revenues and adapt to the dynamic conditions of the Iberian market. These projects demonstrate how integrating storage not only improves grid stability, but also ensures attractive long-term financial returns. This image summarizes a project in Extremadura that combines 100 MWp of solar generation with a 20 MWh BESS, designed for intraday arbitrage and frequency regulation. Through energy arbitrage, the BESS system stores energy during off-peak hours and sells it during peak hours, achieving a 15% increase in annual revenues. Participation in ancillary services has generated additional revenues and improved the stability of the local grid. This project has achieved an estimated ROI of 6 years, highlighting how the combination of storage and ancillary services strategies is key to success. This image summarizes a project in Alentejo with 50 MWp of solar generation and a BESS of 10 MWh, focused on optimizing grid injection and stabilizing revenues. This project uses storage to manage excess solar production, releasing it during nighttime hours of high demand. In addition, power purchase agreements (PPAs) have provided financial stability. Thanks to these strategies, the project has increased its annual profitability by 12%, contributing to the decarbonization of the Portuguese electricity system. The operational flexibility of the BESS system has been key to reducing revenue variability compared to direct power sales. This image summarizes a project in Murcia with 80 MWp of solar capacity and a 15 MWh BESS, designed for the contingency backup market. The BESS system offers fast backup services, generating additional steady revenues. It also reduces spill losses, optimizing system efficiency. This project has achieved a 5-year payback, highlighting its ability to integrate renewable energy into the grid while maximizing revenues. The efficient use of storage ensures high resource availability, even under grid saturation conditions. This image summarizes a project in Galicia with 60 MWp of solar capacity and a BESS of 8 MWh, focused on the aggregation of energy resources in intraday markets. The integration of the system into a virtual power plant (VPP) has allowed access to ancillary services markets, while participation in the intraday market optimizes profit margins. The project has increased its profitability by 10% thanks to the flexibility of the BESS system and adaptation to market demands. The storage aggregation and optimization strategy has been key to achieving consistent results in a lower solar radiation environment. Today we explore how PV plus BESS projects in Spain and Portugal are achieving extraordinary results through innovative and efficient strategies. If you are ready to implement these strategies in your projects and maximize their profitability, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Let's work together to take your projects to the next level.